Okay, so this is a preview. It is a tweet from 6529, and he's been an early investor when it comes to Bitcoin, very aware in terms of what the market is doing and where it's going. Now, I wanted to shed some light in terms of what is about to happen in the NFT industry market. And as you can probably already tell, there's a slow mass adoption that's going on right now. This is basically like BTC back in 2010 to 2012. Not many people know about it, but if you capitalize on the opportunity and be ahead of the curve and the trend, you are going to make some serious bank. So look at this area right here. This is basically a preview of where we are and where are the people moving towards. Now, as you can see, started in 2020 when NFT, more and more people started finding more about it, and then they start treating it as a collectible. The brands. But as you can see now, there's going to be a shift towards, because there's a lot of people creating NFTs and useless NFTs. That's my dog, and she is really excited. So what happened is that there's going to be a lot of NFTs in the market, and there's currently a lot right now, and there's a lot being released. But what's going to happen is that the market is going to be moving towards the NFT that is going to have some sort of utility. So as you can see over here, there's collectibles, the art, the JPEG image. Now we're moving into the gaming, where you can have tools or NFTs that will allow you to make money from your NFT, and what's going to give you an opportunity is an opportunity for you to also customize and equip your game, your character, and use that as an NFT utility. Essentially, it's an NFT utility. So there's a shift going on right now to the collectibles, to the art, and gaming. And as we progress, there's going to be brands, then it's going to set the culture, the metaverse, and the off-chain assets, and the off-chain governance. So, right now, what I do for NFT and what my strategy is I made a simple change in terms of what I was doing before. I was just doing collectibles and art in terms of artists, if there's a community, in terms of the NFT, or in terms of the people following a certain NFT. Now I'm making a shift towards the gaming side, where there's utilities, useful aspects. As people have the mass adoption, this is going to be really a game changer. So use this for you to understand.